Hey guys, we received these Medcar travel packing cubes for test and try. So let's just open this. So there are actually two options. One is a 6-piece set and one is a 12-piece set. And I received these two, so almost like 12-piece set in here. And these cubes are really helpful in storing your stuff for packing or taking it anywhere or more organized way. As you can see, the old traveling cubes in here. And then is a 6-piece set luggage packing organizers and compression packing cube. And you can see the quality wise, this is really nice, waterproof. And also they have a mesh design, waterproof material, double zipper, and heavy duty double stitching. So others I will show here. So the mesh top, uh, the stitching and everything looks good. So let me just open all the sizes and then show it to you. So overall, the quality wise is good and material I can clearly see is a waterproof. So there is a large cloth bag around 17.3 to 12.5 or 4.7, medium cloth bag, a small cloth bag, underwear bag, a carry bag, and a zipper bag. So that's all six pieces in here. You can see like if you want to store the clothes in here, you can just put in and this will hold really well. Closing and storing is really easy. And as a double zipper, so this is zip and the mesh to see or the airflow. And then is a carry handle that you can easily carry it anywhere. So basically a very nice design and you can easily store in the luggage set or just take it individually. Small pouch bag for mobile or any other accessories or the makeup thing, and then you can just put in one. So overall, my impression for this is good because they have this Velcro, this elastic thing, the side one, the zipper, the waterproof, mesh, and all this small stuff. Lightweight, so it will not add to your weight for the luggage. And then also easy to manage thing as well. You can also wash it in the machine and it will not be smelly or dirty. So you can restore as well after like easy and fold thing after using or the double layer bags. So my overall impression and the things are really good. This is a large bag that I'm showing you right now. So you can see the size as well and you can easily lock this down and complete it like a luggage thing and put it in the big luggage or anywhere else for storage. So hope you like this packing cubes and packing bags, and you can also use it in your travel. Um, Overall, it's a nice bag with the things to take anywhere with you. And this is a large bag size with the handle. The small bags and the pouches and the pack. So total six bags in total. And almost they are same, but the sizes are different. And the same thing with the things. Underwear bag, you can put in those things.